Hey, Mike Green, OCR Nerds. Again, gonna go over another obstacle tutorial. We're gonna do our version here at Fitness Appeal in Lawrence, Massachusetts. We have a twister here, so we're gonna do our version of the twister. I'm gonna show you one of my techniques to get through it. This is very similar to the one at the Spartan Race. The only difference I'm gonna point out is the transition over here where you don't actually have the staging, so I'm gonna have to make like more of a 2-on-1 grip, but I'm gonna get into that. Anyways, the technique I'm gonna be using is a staggered side-to-side grip to get through. I know a lot of people like to go backwards, a lot of people like to go, rung to rung, or whatever you wanna call it. I go every other in a staggered pattern, which I'm gonna explain. So if we come over here, just like in the race, you get on the box, right? We have different holds. And you get to each hold, the pole rotates. So when I say I'm going to do this in a staggered fashion, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take grip 1, I'm going to get onto hold 1, and then I'm going to shoot to hold 3, right? So when I go to hold 3, I'm going to stagger this. So I'm going to go from 1 to 3, then go from hold 2 to 4. Then from there, I'll keep going, and you'll see me stagger this, like such, right? So 1, to 3, right? 2, to 4, 3, to 5, 4, 6, and so on. Keeping my hips moving at all times. The momentum. Here's the transition. Usually this is staging. I just did a 2-on-1, and I go back to this, 1 to 3. Same thing, 2 to 4. Hips are moving, right? 3 to 5. 4 to 6, etc., etc. Ring the bell. That's just one technique. So like I said, if you like going backwards, go backwards, but this I feel is the best way for me to do it, and I conserve as much energy as possible. Subscribe.